It's amazing to hear that the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is doing so well in the market. It's great to see that people are excited about the new features and improvements that Samsung has incorporated into their new smartphones. With such a high number of pre-orders, I'm sure that the Samsung Galaxy S24 series will be a huge success. The popularity of these high-end devices is not surprising, given their exceptional performance across various aspects. Yet, smart users found a particular issue with the screen's vivid color. Some owners of the Galaxy S24 series noticed that the colors were not as bright as they would have been if they had chosen the vivid color profile. Have you heard the news about Samsung? They are taking user feedback very seriously and are making efforts to address any issues that have been brought to their attention. It's always wonderful to come across a business that puts its customers' needs first. The well-known tipster Ice Universe claims that a new slider will be added to the white balance option in an upcoming release. This slider will allow users to adjust the vividness of colors on their Galaxy S24 devices. By increasing this setting, users can achieve a color profile similar to that of the Galaxy S23 series. For those content with the current color profile, there's no need to worry. No changes are mandatory. I completely agree. It's great to have options available to cater to different user preferences. This upcoming feature sounds like it will be very helpful for those who prefer more vibrant colors. The much-anticipated addition is expected to debut with the February 2024 security update, promising not only a visual enhancement, but also potential improvements to the camera. The February 2024 update has already been rolled out to a select number of Galaxy smartphones and tablets, indicating Samsung's commitment to swift implementation of user feedback. I completely understand. It's wonderful to learn that the business is dedicated to making improvements to its products and loves user feedback. It's comforting to know that future software updates will take care of any small problems with the screen or camera. Astutely recognizing the need for more vivid colors in the color profile selection, Samsung is acting now to give users the greatest possible experience. It's an exciting development that promises to elevate the visual experience for Galaxy S24 users. I think the vivid color adjustment feature is quite interesting. I haven't personally used it, but I've heard good things about it. As for concerns with color vibrancy, I have experienced some issues in the past where colors appear dull or washed out. It can be frustrating when you're trying to capture a vibrant scene or show off your artwork. I'm curious to hear from others who have used the vivid feature and if they have noticed any improvements in color vibrancy. If you have any insights or experiences to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more updates on our channel as we bring you the latest news and insights. Until next time, take care and see you soon.